Hello and welcome to Curiosity Hive. Well, in this video, we are going to take on the Class 3 NSO paper for the Set A. Well, in this festive season, all of you want to have fun and not spend too much time studying. Don't worry, that's why we are here for. We are going to discuss this paper with pictorial representations because visual retention is the best way to memorize and understand anything, and then you can easily answer these questions when it comes in your final exam. So let's get started with this paper. But before that, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Curiosity Hive. So let's start with the logical reasoning section first.
The first question is to identify the relation between the given pairs on either side of the four dots and find the missing figure. Do you know this answer? Well, this is an easy one as car is the mode of transport on road. So the mode of transport on water is either ship or boat or the yacht. So all of these is the right answer for this one. Next question is about relationships. So if a sharpener means a notebook, notebook means a pencil, and pencil means a razor, and a razor means a USB drive, then what is used to write on a paper? Are you able to guess the answer? I hope so. Well, in such kind of questions, only take in note the immediate relations. For example, these that are given. And hence, what is used to write on a paper is a pencil, which means an eraser. So your answer would be option A. Next question. Which of the following shapes is not present in the given figure? Easy one. Well, the answer to this is, you're right, option B, triangle. Next question. Which of the following belongs to group X? Here you have group X. Can you make out the relation and find the right answer? I hope you have got it right. So all the numbers in group X are even numbers. And in the given option, it is option C, which is 70, which is an even number. So that belongs to group X. Next question. Kavleen, Trishika and Siddhak are standing in a line. Siddhak is not the last. Kavleen is standing before Siddhak and Trishika is not standing between Siddhak and Kavleen. Which girl is standing at the first place in the line? Tell me the answer. Well, let me tell you how to solve this. So there is a line with 3 positions. Now Siddhak is not the last. That means Siddhak would not be in this position. So Siddhak can be in first and second position. Another point to note is Trishika is not standing between Siddhak and Kavleen. Between is this position. That means Trishika is not standing here. Now let's go to the second line which says Kavleen is standing before Siddhak. That means the only position where Kavleen can be standing would be here because this means that she is standing before Siddhak. And finally, Trishika is standing in the end. So the girl standing at the first place of the line is Kavleen, which is option B.
I hope the logical reasoning section was fun. Well, now we'll head to the science section. The science section is a 25 question section. So let's solve with me together and let's see each answer as a picture so that we understand and also remember it well. So let's get started with the science section.
So here is our first question. Refer to the given figure of plant in which some parts are labelled and answer the question 6 and 7. The sixth question is, which of the following plant parts take part in absorption of water and minerals and exchange of gases respectively? Well, can you tell me this answer? So let's quickly look at the concept. It is the roots which absorb water and minerals, and it is the leaves which take in carbon dioxide in presence of light and chlorophyll to cook their food, and they give out oxygen. So the right answer for this is roots and leaves, that is T and P, which is option D. Let's look at the next question, which says, Which of the following is the correct match of the plant part and an example where it is edible? So each of these vegetables are parts of plants. Can you tell me which is the right match? Well, let me show you the pictorial example so you remember it. Well, the right answer is sweet potato because sweet potato is a root which is given as option T. Well, I hope you understand the difference that sweet potato is a root but potato is a stem. Hence, our right answer is option A. Next question. Match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option. So here we have some match the columns. Let me see if you can get this answer. Let me pictorially show you the answer so that you remember it. Well, the different types of feather the birds have mainly are down feather and flight feathers. Now, flight feathers are in the tail and in the wings, and these are the feathers that help the birds to fly. Hence, we can match A to option 2, which says help the bird to lift up from ground and provide balance. Let's look at down feathers now. Now, down feathers are soft and fluffy and keep the body warm because they trap the heat in the body. So, your option B can be matched to option 3. And now body feathers, well, they are the contour feathers which give the streamlined shape to the bird's body. So C matches to 1. So based on this, A to 2, B to 3 and C to 1 is option B. Next question. Dash does not have 3 toes in front and 1 at back. Can you tell me which is the right answer? It is the woodpecker, which has 2 feet in front and 2 in back, unlike the other birds which have 3 toes in front and 1 in back. Hence, our right answer is option D. Next question. Select the best method to preserve green peas for a longer period without much affecting their taste. Well, you will be able to get the right answer if you have helped your mom in the kitchen. The right answer is freezing. So peas by freezing can be kept for as long as a year. Let's head to the next question. The next question reads, Siddhi grouped fibers obtained from similar types of sources together, but she made an incorrect pair. Identify this incorrect pair. Well, are you able to get the connection and get the answer? I hope you are. These are different fibers from different sources. For example, cotton and jute, both are plant products. Silk and wool, these are obtained from animals like silkworm and sheep. Nylon and polyester, these are synthetically made or man-made. Hence, silk and nylon are the incorrect match because they have different sources of produce. So that's our right answer. Let's head to the next question. Well, this is on accommodation or living. Refer to the given conversation between two friends. Mala says, my grandma lives at a place where it rains daily, whereas my aunt lives in a hot and dry place. And Shilvi says, oh really? At my place the weather is cool almost the whole year and it snows a lot in winters. Let's see if you can get the right answer. Well, if not, let me show you this. A cool place or a place where it snows a lot generally has houses like these, the wooden houses with sliding roofs. However, a place where it rains a lot, you have stilt houses, which are on supports and slanting roof again. And then the houses with flat roofs are generally in places where there is summer. And also one of the option has igloo, which is a place where Eskimo stays in extremely cold region. And as per the options, our right answer is option A, because Mala's grandma stays at a place where it rains daily, and the option mentions the stilt house for rainy places. So that's our right answer. Next question is, Mohit and his friends were cycling down the street to attend birthday party of Sanjay. Suddenly one of his friends fell down and got badly hurt. He needs to see the doctor immediately. Which of the given symbols will help Mohit to find the doctor for his friend? We don't need much explanation. It is the plus sign which indicates the doctor. Hence the answer is option A, which is P. Next question. A teacher needs to show to her students that soil contains air. Which of the following should she do? Well, I hope you've got the answer. If not, let's look at the concept. Now there is an experiment where you put soil in a transparent jar and fill it with water, and you will notice that bubbles of air are rising up at the surface of soil, indicating that the soil has air because that is what forms the bubbles. So your answer is option A, which says pour some water into a beaker containing soil. Alright, let's look at the next question. The group of stars that appear in form of pattern or shape in sky is called dash. Both dash and dash, consisting of 7 main stars each, are 2 examples of this. Well, I hope you get the right answer, and if you have missed a planetarium, definitely you'll get the right answer. Well, the group of stars that appear to form a pattern or shape in the sky is called a constellation, which is either option A and B. And dash, which consists of 7 main stars each, are examples of the hunter or Orion. This indicates a hunter, and this indicates the Orion of 3 belts. So our right answer is option B. Next question. Select the activity which will produce a different effect than the other 3. Fitting wheels on the bottom of the box, putting oil in the hinges, tiling a cemented floor, or replacing the laminated plastic fabric with cardboard for toy, car or racing. Well, in this case, A, B and C are lubricating or reducing friction, that is making it smooth, whereas D is making the surface from smooth to rough, that is increasing friction. So option D is your right answer, which has an opposite effect than A, B and C. Next question. Sameer uses dumbbell to exercise daily. Which body systems are involved in bending and strengthening of his arms? This is an easy one. As you can see in the picture, when you bend your arms, you're exercising your muscles, and when you bend your hand, you're also exercising your bone. So this is the muscular and skeletal system which is getting exercised, and that is your option C. Next question. Nidhi plotted a graph to show the amount of sound produced during the following activities PQR. You have to choose the right graph. Well, P is an aeroplane taking off, Q is piano playing, and R is whispering in a frenzy. Which is the right block? Well, it is option A, which is the right block, because aeroplane has the highest sound, playing a piano is lesser, and definitely whispering is the least. Let's go to the next question. I am round and green. You eat me as a vegetable. I carry a baby plant inside me. Now, starting from the first letters, cross out every alternate letter in the following options and select the one which gives my name. You can pause the video and try to solve this. Well, this is a quick one to solve. When you cancel out the alternate letters, what you're left with are these. A is chili, C is ladyfinger, B is pea, and D is spinach. Definitely spinach is not round and green, and neither is ladyfinger. What is round and green is peas, and also it carries a baby plant inside. So option B is our right answer. Next one. Dash is an oil-giving plant. Can you tell me the answer? Well, let me pictorially show it. Option A, which is coconut, gives coconut oil. B, which is sesame, gives sesame oil. And C, which is olive, gives olive oil. So all of these are oil-giving plant. Hence our right answer is option D. Let's look at the next one, which is on relationships. This one is fun. Select the correct match out of the following. Now there are these 4 options given. Well, let me show you an easy way to solve this. Now there is my generation, that is the kids generation, parents generation and grandparents generation. based on these 3 levels, let's look at the options to get our right answer. Now, first one is maternal grandmother's son. Is that your cousin? Let's see. Well, this is me, and my mother's mother is my maternal grandmother. And my grandmother's son will be my uncle. So option A is not the right answer. Let's look at option C, which says grandfather's wife. Is that your niece? Let's see me here. And here is my grandfather. My grandfather's wife is my grandmother. So she's not my niece. Let's look at option B, which says, is cousin's father your uncle? This is me and my mother. And this is my cousin and her dad. And this would be my uncle. So B is my right answer. So this is the way that you solve these kind of relationship questions. Next one. Which of the following products do you get from the animal whose name is obtained on unscrambling these given letters? Pause this if you want to try unscrambling. This should be a quick one. Well, the unscrambled word is honeybee, and honeybee gives us honey. So our right answer is option A. Next one. Select the object which does not belong to the first aid box. Tell me the answer. Well, you're confused between knife and scissor? Well, the right answer is option B. This does not belong. Sometimes you use the scissor to cut your bandages. Next question. Which phase of the moon is shown by X in the given figure? Tell me the right answer if you know. Well, if not, let me show you how I came to the right answer. So I know that when the moon starts, so let me tell you how I came to the right answer. Well, when it is complete darkness, it is the new moon. And exactly 14 days after new moon is the full moon. Now, crescent is the C-circle shape that you see when it starts moving towards full moon. And hence the remaining X is the gibbous, which is our answer which we got by eliminating the other options. Next question. Refer to the given conversation among 3 friends who are going to the market. Shruti says, I want to have banana shake today. Mama asked me to get some bananas. Neetu said, I have to buy some tomatoes for soup. And Nidhi said, my brother has cut his finger. I have to get a band-aid. Can you select the correct option regarding this? Well, now Shruti and Neetu need to get fruits and vegetables which you can get at the greengrocer, and Nidhi, who wants to get a medicine, that is a band-aid, she can get that at the pharmacy which the chemist administers. So our right answer is Shruti should go to greengrocer, Neetu should go to greengrocer, and Nidhi should go to chemist. So option D, all of this is the correct one. Next question. Harsh, Niketan and Shubh were making a craft project together. For the project, Harsh bought 1 kilogram of marbles, Niketan bought 1 kilogram of glitter particles, and Shubh bought 1 kilogram of feathers. Select the correct option based on this data. Well, here you have to find which one is the heaviest. This is a trick question because 1 kilogram of marble and 1 kilogram of glitter particles and 1 kilogram of feathers, all of them are equal to the same weight, which is equal to 1 kilogram. So our right answer is that all of them are equally heavy, that is option C. Next question. Manuj, who's going to Kashmir for his vacations in December, should preferably pack what in his bag? Well, Kashmir is a cold place and he is going in his vacation in December, which is a winter month. So we need to use our sweater in winters in cold places. So option C is our right answer. Next one. Dash makes our bones and muscles strong. Swimming, listening to music, sleeping or playing games like Ludo? Well, it is swimming because that is the only one which makes you exercise. Let's head to the last question. The given diagram shows the sample of sticky tapes that were left with their sticky surfaces exposed to air from different locations XYZ in school. From the amount of dust stuck on sticky face, which area can be considered to have greatest level of air pollution? Well, choose that tape which has most particles on it, which is location Z. So that's our right answer.
Well, I hope this was useful for you. If you have any questions, suggestions or queries, reach out to us at our social media handles and we'll get back to you. For more such videos, do like and subscribe to our channel. And till we meet again, stay healthy, stay curious. Take care.